In this video, I will explain how the software for Service Center computer repair software works. First, we have to log in. When we log in, the first screen that appears is billing page. In this, all the current bills are shown. On the right hand side, we can see the invoice that can be generated and the payments that have been made to this particular bill. If there is no payment made to this bill, then it will not be displayed. First of all, we must go to the customers and add a new customer. In this page, we add all the new customers. The customer that has been added is displayed at the bottom, and the customer details are added on this screen. The customer can be updated also from this screen. Once this customer is added, we can create a new ticket for that particular customer. So we go to new ticket and create. In the ticket page, we can search for the customer using the mobile number or the email number. And for a ticket to be made, we have to generate a ticket number. Okay. Once the ticket is created, we can say add the ticket, and we can add the ticket and we can print the ticket. And once the new ticket is created, we go to tickets page and we assign the ticket. We select a ticket from the bottom of the screen, and then we assign the technician to the ticket number. The goal completion and the technician, how many tickets have been displayed on this screen. Once the ticket is assigned to a technician, we go to pending jobs. On the pending job, which is the job card, we select the ticket and we specify the action taken on that particular ticket, on this action taken. We can also add the billed items for this ticket. Select the part type, brand, etc. and save. Okay. Once the pending job is completed, the ticket becomes closed, then we have to go to the new invoices. The customer walks into the shop and we enter the ticket number here, generate the invoice, you can generate in PDF from here, or we can print the invoice from here and make the payment. Once the payment is made, we can go to the tickets and we can see the billing. And here the payments will appear for that particular billing, for that particular bill. This bill and this payment. Okay. Once this is the billing. Then we have reports. We have daily reports, which displays by each employee the report, or by option daily tickets or daily bills, or by the ticket number. The report will be displayed on this screen. All the reports, like that customer report, or by each customer. Similarly, service report, inventory report and invoices report can be generated here. Then analytics. In this analytics, we can see by billing the past 60 days or 30 days or 1 day, the billing that has taken place, or by each customer, how many customers have been added, how many customers have given how much of business. Thank you. These are few of the this thing. Other than this, we have employees. Employee details can be added here. There is a mailbox available which shows all the mail that has been sent from this software, the expenses that are created for this service center that can be added in this screen. Add each expense, clear, and we can see the expense from this to this, all expenses, filter, will show all the expenses from this period to this period. On top of the screen, we'll see how many customers have been added here, how many new tickets are created, and we can log out from this software. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching it. Hope you like it.